Abusia, the man in charge of Salome affairs. Oh, Monkafra. Hey, Felix Ofosu Kwaakye. Okatakyie Afrifa class video. In fact, we have a big expose on Sen and Semu. Felix, ebeye, and Central share mu, and all chire mu, and they may cost Mahama memu mu, ne hono, and on one casa kwa team Mahama too. Na no, a free fabric class with Ofosu Kwaakye, and Mahama. I Penyah broke me. That's why I say any demo. Over like this video, no other one. Subscribe button, some click notification, and connect update. Now back to the web and mama. Comment section. So baswa. No your first any biash. Oh, sir, I said man no patri waka. The man in charge of Salome affairs na mitizo be can say Penyah. Now evidence there. Oh, there be munya wetra. Me nkasa kwa. Oh, say me video. Oh, be. Hey, I do, Felix. Ofosu Kwaakye. Oh, what do bad them they say? Okodo bad them pa say. Edi ase ukuledi. Edi ase udi. So allegedly no. Nebuchadnezzar Felix Ofosu Kwaakye our presidential staff for communication say when Mahama ne kasa mafo Mahama ano. Se Mahama be so kasa na on be se be fro no kasa enum a oposan sem no gu Felix enum no oba be kan. Now you know bibi be hu e wa Ghana ha no mo. On say Ghana for the government machinery ye ni e wo ho no pa because Akufo teso no ye hunu say there was say ministers 125 ministers e ma na omudoso ida Ghana for no e kasa say omudoso no do munya mu teso ni ade omudoso mu nkate bibia off ni ade but omu amfi emenim ha wana edema esi eko but NDC for by omu so be fa 60 ministers and 60 ministers no ye ko hwe budget allocation even 205 mu budget ready and that's a matter sika ya allocate ama government machinery Ofosu Kwaakye mu kwa kodi nye sika kuma na say e poro de ministers do Akufo for the time no nipa do fom ni ohwe sika na di omu ka that time any Mahama 60 na ye lean government no sika e di omu ka e lean government in size of numbers but a gargantuan government in size of expenditure. And Akufo government was a gargantuan government in terms of population wise, but it was a lean government in terms of government expenditure. But any voice so smart. Yenye nipa no kuma bi ba yem pompe sika mu ho Ghana for yam kwasiafo o me defend ye o ma dwen no Ghana for agimi o me defend ye o ye fa nipa 60 pe Akufo fa nipa 125 but o want say Ghana for 7 ye jimi yen ko buza say Akufo fa 125 no na e ka ben na wo bo wo mu ho Mahama for 60 no oboka se ne wo mu ho na fe yen compare why na eku Ghana for eno nya Ghana for na se ye jimi nti sebe ye jimi ankasa omanya ya adwene wo form low IQ ya adwene wo form pa yi ya adwene wo form pa wo form ankasa because ya adwene form wa politician mia ye na ye say defend wo ya adwene wo form truly ya adwene wo form. Now I had this conversation and it was alleged say Felix Ofosu Kwaakye presidential staff at home no almost send nipa kum just say party regional ifo nyina no ya for mu nyina as presidential staffers and presidential staffers no they rock shoulders with ministers and the deputy presidential staffers no they rock shoulders with deputy ministers in terms of expenditure. How is it bo mo hoka security mo kan ya no in terms of that no they rock shoulders with ministers and deputy ministers. Next, indirectly no, Mahama afa ministers 60 pe, but presidential staffers, omu nyabe ka omu nyina ka ministers ho, oma be buburuja bebrebe ntia ka omu do dan say etwam Akufo 125 na etwam. Ena na Felix echirem say enya nokre na enya nokre no. Felix ebe chirem a ode enchirem e bai na say onu ankasa ne so we kan no. Onu ankasa be expose no ho ene Mahama. Enya no nkwa ho, obeka ya. Felix Ofosu Kwaakye beka chire say Mahama in 2025 ebesi cheap compound makomako 600 by the end of December 2025 no wasi December 25 akwa wi amre 2026 amaso Felix Ofosu Kwaakye interview no we ye buisa ne mu say Felix say okay say mu besi 600 cheap compound but nyame nukwe ni hu bebe bia afa emu nkyerɛmu ne sɛ Felix kyerɛmu no deɛ ɛnyɛ ɔno no policy mean say pension ko bisa Mahama straight but ɔno na Mahama ka samafo ɛnyɛ o policy but that time so on the information be Ghana for say mu ba besi but ye busa no deɛ ɔse ɛnyɛ the policy ɛyɛ Mahama policy it odi mu asɛm but nipa ɔyɛ ne kasamafo a bibia asɛm na ɛyɛ this conversation and many others no ana Afrifa abe expose Felix Ofosu Kwaakye on John Mahama
amemuo na accountability series in yesi ebusa question so far government no yedey but yen kone ne Felix Ofosu Kwaakye entwetwe nkomo na mo enipa a wo mo wa ban mu they lack integrity they lack honesty propaganda atoro ane yede sum nipa no so last year arise test concern Ofosu Kwaakye Salomema osu ye admunye jasa aniama no ha o friend Salomema sa na ye de be oh we ye jama dome market for ma no ne makola ma me kemu enka se wo ye Salome na emu no o no betra na we jai Felix Ofosu Kwaakye yentie o
and my DC is right behind me, so he's fully aware of this. Each district is required to construct 2 new chips compounds this year. Each district. So if you put that together, we are talking in excess of almost close to 600 chips compounds that will be put up this year alone, or at least work on them will start this year. If we maintain the tempo, that should give us 2,000 chips compounds in the next 4 years. And this is a significant step towards improving healthcare services for the people of Ghana. Because even the Abokomano chips compound that I put out sometime in April last year to the Assembly's Common Fund, and my DC is right behind me, so he's fully aware of this. Each district is required to construct 2 new chips compounds this year. Each district. So if you put that together, we are talking in excess of almost close to 600 chips compounds that will be put up this year alone, or at least work on them will start this year. If we maintain the tempo, that should give us over 2,000 chips compounds in the next 4 years. And this is a significant step towards improving healthcare services for the people of Ghana. Because even the Abokomano chips compound that I put out sometime in
Ora Felix Ofosu Kwaakye last year say wamaka kire eye aban no MCs and district assembly for no say obia nsi 2 chips compound na ye ni ade na wadaroma lady we ese mo hwehwe na me nim no me hu ne da but the lady is very intelligent. Lady Nishia eye Felix Ofosu Kwaakye yentie.
June last year too, you indicated that government was going to construct at about 600 chip compounds. And I ask you directly because you made the comment or you made a promise. I want to find out from you if these 600 chip compounds you said were going to be constructed at the end of 2025 has been constructed, and when are they going to be operational?
The second bit is about the chips compound. Now, it is not my policy. I spoke about it, announced it.
Hey, you want to say, oh yeah, Papa, go any monte. Oh yeah, Papa, go any monte. They say they would Ghanaian free policy. No, it is not my policy. Felix, what the two just said chips compound, mube sibi. Now mube si 2 per every a year district assembly. And wabani busa say chips compound be no per district assembly. No, ayat day. Accountability. Yentie Felix, yentie no.
But it is government policy.
June last year too, you indicated that government was going to construct at about 600 chip compounds. And I ask you directly because you made the comment or you made a promise. I want to find out from you if these 600 chip compounds you said were going to be constructed. Enough to mention that the previous government had about over 300 staff at the presidency. The previous government had about a
question. Now, Felix Ofosu Kwaakye, Chips compound and ewo he. Oh, now Felix say rebrofo. And so when we say Chips compound simply means ABC. Felix, and yet Chips compound simply means asɛm and yeka. Ye busa say Chips compound ewo he. Oh, when we say Chips compound, no de nam, no watre, no when Timianka say Chips compound, ye wie baako si. Felix Ofosu Kwaakye ntimi anka wo. Na me ba be ka kire mo se aban ne ye kill net aban. Now yentie Felix and I know me de betu dwa se aban na appointed presidential staffers omuwo at the same rank as deputy ministers. It ye bo mo ka as though omu ye deputy ministers. Say me kura de minya ne wrong. Now Felix Ofosu Kwaakye ba be responded to me yentie.
Somebody say that presidential staffers acted as deputy ministers. No, they are not. In terms of entitlements, they are equivalent to ministers, presidential staffers. So when you hear somebody referred to as a presidential staffer, in terms of entitlements, they don't function as ministers, but in terms of what they earn and their package that goes with their office, they are equivalent to ministers. Presidential aides are equivalent to deputy ministers in terms of their service conditions. And then there are political staff who are staff of these staffers and presidential. For instance, if you go to the president's office, there's the president himself, there is the chief of staff, there's a secretary to the president, there's a legal counsel, and then there are other senior advisors. These advisors don't work alone. They also have staff that they work with. So if you put all of that together, there was a point that we had about 361 under President Akufo-Addo. I think about 41 staffers or so, who by virtue of that position would be entitled to the conditions of service of ministers.
Mom pay attention, say Edu Akufo-Addo the answer there. Or both figures Akufo-Addo, apart from the ministers, 120 ministers, or both figures of a presidential staffers. Now, lady way, I don't know who she is. I think the lady must be I see a bullet in Abaso. Or Momo ko bebre na mu sanya answer question bia. Now, Felix, yenti.
And deputy minister. So the 125 Land Cruisers would come with another 40 Land Cruisers and 40 saloon cars, 40 bungalows, or 40 sets of payments of rent allowance, 40 sets of payment of fuel for every week, and then all the other conditions that they are attached. So you do not really need a soothsayer to tell you how colossal the cost to government was to have that number of people. The fact and reality now is that we have fewer people in government now than we did under the previous administration. So significant savings have been made. That cannot be disputed. That must be placed on record.
Fewer people in government now than Akufo-Addo. It should be easy to answer the question of how many presidential staffers anamuwo ananyasa. Yentie lady no yenti.
100 staff at the presidency. You were bold enough to mention that the previous government had about over 300 staff at the presidency. I want to know concrete figures. How many staff do we have here?
I can tell you for free
at the presidency
that the numbers here are far less.
You were bold enough to mention that the previous government had about over 300 staff at the presidency. I want to know concrete figures. How many staff do we have here?
I can tell you for free
at the presidency
that the numbers here are far less. Indeed, we are required by law this quarter, I think by March or so, to present the list to Parliament. So you will see. I think that the numbers are being compiled, but I know for a fact that it is far less than what we inherited from the previous administration. And when it goes, you will see it. Yes.
Now,
thank you very much.
Okay, or say a far less. How many presidential staffers and a whole government spokesperson cannot tell us how many presidential staffers after 1 year in government? Otiminya Akufo-Addo de kai. But a yet 1 year in government, a whole government spokesperson cannot tell the people of Ghana the number of people working at the presidency How many presidential staffers do we have? Now, Osi Akufo-Addo 120 ministers plus 300 presidential staffers. Meanwhile, in 2024, government compensations was about 63.6 billion. Tienye. And ye di ye ewo presidency. Sa time na Akufo-Addo die no ewo soro. In 2025, aban na wose ne die no wo fom no. Sa aban koro no in 2025, a raise cost 76.6 billion. Tienye. Aban no. A ono Felix Ofosu Kwaakye nya 72 million de tena ba bi ote no. So what the government communication. Eti Akufo-Addo aban no so. Ye hu bi da. Eye large. In 2024, odi 63.6 billion. Mahama abanya ba. Abanya sha. Lyíng government. Ministers near 60. Now, 76.6 billion ye allocated core presidency. So munkonkodi. In 2026, government has allocated 90.7 billion. See, they kwa koma abanya na usano. Abanya show. Chenye. Abanya also wo saving. The question is say savings no dey ma yen ewo he. But when the entire ontimi enka enchira the number of presidential staffers because makacham say aban no eye frakadam eye killnet aban. Mon hwade. Aban we e release makacham say omo sheda appointee eye ministers especially regional ministers aba kwada ne TikTok minister. Now omo appointee regional ministers wie ye no. And one person more appointed deputy regional ministers. Well, when is some deputy regional ministers are Yebekayaka a ministers home. ATM from a deputy regional ministers. Nemo Yebe from a regional coordinators. TNA. Yebe from regional a political coordinators. Now, regional political coordinators. Yansha Dibua. Mohadi, you pay attention. Mohadi Bua. Now, I'm going to release this list way. Pay attention. List way, Anthony Nupenu, Miami, or your regional political coordinator to the regional minister for Greater Accra region. TNU. Now, surprisingly, omo sa list way you know. Omo the Ashanti region thereby mienu. But omo fa Ashanti region the enemy nyina no enhye at the same place. Esa o ready a ubehunu ne ntem se omo eye frakadam. So ade na me de akere mo no. Monhwe eye last end ho. Ubonso omo akero okay. Ye ready top no. Isham oh sorry, let me come back. So we Isham Alasan. Second row or your regional political coordinator to the regional minister for Ashanti region. Tienye. Now, we Isham Freewa. The next person, yanko the next list so. Yenyi the next list, never wait so. Now, next list na share asiye ho. On say, omudi ni mienu nyina kwa boss at the same time, anka wu ready a. Ube wunu say Ashanti region kwa ya appointed. Now, Pfizer Dauda. Ewo down ho ono nso a deputy regional political coordinator to the regional minister for Ashanti region. Now dim dia aban we killnet no mo ya atro nipa bonefo aban ti no. When him say actually omo appointed miensa. Menya ne tie kura said no omo sa appointed ba kwa kan wo. Na mo omo appointed miensa no omo anfo omo nyina din ama. Eti de omo di kan di ne din ba ye second rule no tienye yomudi kandi the divide. Now Oma omitted the name of this individual who is my brother. Oma omitted the name of this individual. Oma amfani diama. In 2025 August 19th Anna Dr. Frank Amwako hine TikTok minister Ebeka kire ye say Mr. Sylvester Japan. First no yi movie a dodo na friend slide. Me nua pa nyenche me no dako. Ete ne nka na ache. Then times miracle films me no ana na ebo. Sylvester Asar ye can say Sylvester Japan. yeah, appointing as deputy political coordinator for Ashanti region. And so I'm releasing a list no. Omo amfa Sylvester Asare di anshim. When you dia, omo di di shim omo be say eye coordinators ni di doso. That is the kind of entro governance I yedema mo. Na mujidi. That is the kind of hypocritical governance being given to you, and you believe them. Tiedi American ye. Omo appointed a Sly as deputy regional political coordinator. Our muji pay equally as deputy ministers and ministers. Now, omo amfa onidi and share list ni because omo di ni share list ni mo be hunu. Eti jomama aban no atro aban. No kura ba akokura nim. But when I keep on telling you guys are not listening. Other than the sliding, they've omitted it from the list of coordinators. I don't know my omitting. Ashanti regional minister and the Tonyama na to August and Ashanti regional minister Becca say I appointed Sly as deputy regional political coordinator. Meanwhile, you amfani ni anka list no because you need kan ho a. Afi you be say regional coordinators no more 4. And you believe such a government because our government no president etoto shatawale nyom. You believe such a government because our government no president sheshe kambu red gold green. You believe such a government because that government ni wakwa asori na okotena chiri we humble be so otemo adwene ase. Jomama temo mo adwene ase. Wonim say the theatrics ni amodeche amamu. Wonim say theatrics no modeche amamu. Na omanya yetimi di obi ne yire no mienu asem yetimi bɔ paako omo ye nipa to a saa nipa yi eti frakadama ban no killnet ban no wonim dia mo etimi esu emu eti na da bia na John de oye humble John de Yemi God say wa appointed yen so dem free way beka muntie na mo ani kwakuo kom so se wani trikoto say ayi anyway yamfa ento so ne enko US aban but entia menya ne say actually there were regional coordinators political coordinators there tienie etina there were regional political coordinators mienu already and once I appointed 3 akoka onu ohunu so de kire mo oh ajay kionet aban no mo hunu da frakadam aban bibie mo ni nso emie nanka Felix wadaroma presidential staffers ni say yes and no.
I have to mention that the previous government had about over 300 staff at the presidency. I want to know concrete figures. How many staff do we have here?
I can tell you for free
at the presidency
that the numbers here are far less. Indeed, we are required by law this quarter, I think by March or so, to present the list to Parliament. So you will see. I think that the numbers are being compiled, but I know for a fact that it is far less than what we inherited from the previous administration. Then when it goes, you see it. Yes. Thank you very much.
Felix, numbers are not a yes saying.
You were bold enough to mention that the previous government had about over 300 staff at the presidency. I want to know concrete figures. How many staff do we have here?
I can tell you for free
at the presidency
that the numbers here are far less. Indeed, we are required by law this quarter, I think by March or so, to present the list to Parliament. So you will see. I think that the numbers are being compiled, but I know for a fact that it is far less than what we inherited from the previous administration. Then when it goes, you will see it. Yes. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much. Felix is so on to me the number of presidential staffers and machire mu dientia. Kwame. Kwamwachi yadom. O pap ayi wofa. Material no. Yes, me blow me a trumpet. I am one of the most intelligent people that will ever walk the face of this country called earth. Na mene manfo ni dili a mete manfo no adwene ase. Eti mitimi yusu manfo no mo ankasa timi ye bibi no munim se mi yusu o ma mo ya de. So enra ana beto odwa se Trump administration no the ban ato immigrant visas so 75 countries including Ghana and Nigeria. And of course, me de to Facebook. Me anam churoi, nyame obi anam churoi. Na me de to we na me sa edit na me de shame say World Cup no ahye. So in effect, in their quest to say they want to get at me, which I knew that's what they would do, they ended up propagating wamwangasa ban na ye dia to omaban so no. They ended up propagating omuma ban ne kwachire ma manfo techen say me angasa me to me page. It mwadwene no keten. Na nipa maba United States nyata mte Ghana maba be sua immigration law this semester ma pass anya A- in immigration law. Professor Lulu Ferrante class ma pass anya A1. Minim what immigrant and non-immigrant visas are. Minim me de source work up no ahye na. Me so mu dimirika say yenya no ni amoa. Na omo ye no na afi omo angasa e magana fo otese ya bande womo angasa
With my children, I do not amame. Comment section. I Penyah Block Media.